At HongLin, we specialize in the production of 110 kV high-voltage power cables engineered for the most demanding power transmission applications. Our process begins with high-purity copper conductor stranding, ensuring maximum conductivity and mechanical strength. Using advanced triple-layer ZLPE insulation extrusion in a fully controlled clean room environment, we guarantee superior electrical performance and insulation integrity. Every meter of cable undergoes rigorous testing including partial discharge, high voltage withstand, and dimensional accuracy to meet IEC, GB, and international utility standards. Trusted in substations, grid systems, and critical infrastructure worldwide. HongLin's 110 kV HV cables deliver safe, efficient, and long-lasting performance, powering the future with precision, reliability, and innovation from HongLin.